Welcome. In front of me is Nokia 5.3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the password to your device and can't sign in. So you really can't recover your device's password, but what you can do is take your time and try to remember the one that you entered the last time. Give it a couple of attempts, and if you really can't find the proper one, then the other best solution would be to contact NOKIA Customer Support service as soon as possible. Tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you out and help you with regaining access to your account without the need of removing any data from it. And if this option is unavailable to you, then the other best solution would be to perform a factory reset. This will give you back the access to your device, but this will also remove all your personal data, files, information from your phone. You can do this two ways. If you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, then you can simply log into your Google account that is connected to this device from your other device and select this phone on the list of your devices and erase all data from it remotely. It's pretty easy, but if you don't have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, then the last option that you have is to perform a factory reset using recovery mode. And if you don't know how to access recovery mode on your phone, or if you don't if you want some help with it, then you can check out the full video on how to do that on our YouTube channel. We will explain everything step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for me, that will be all. I hope that my advice helps you. And if they did, then consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.